Hi everyone. This is an instruction manual for building an easy audiobook player. The device has a single button to start and stop the audiobook playback. I designed a PCB for the hardware assembly for this project. But it's a very simple circuit, so it can be easily built on breadboards. The Arduino detects the button press and controls the MP3 player module. The analog signal from the module is boosted by the amplifier and played back through the speaker. The system gets power from a 5-volt phone charger, but the amplifier needs 12 volts, so I had to use a DC to DC converter for the device to know where it is in the playback. The audiobooks have to be converted, so I created a Python code that chops the audio files into smaller chunks, so that the SD card is loaded with MP3 files of up to 5 minutes. And each file has a unique number. Download the Python code from GitHub to create these files. Using the Python code is very simple. Copy all the MP3 files to the input directory, run the Python code, and then copy the files from the output directory to folder 01 on the SD card. To program the Arduino, connect the module to the computer with a USB cable. Download the source code from GitHub. Run the Visual Studio Code. Install the Platformio add-on. Open the Easy Audiobook Player Arduino directory. Change the platformio.ini file if necessary. Set the type of the Arduino and the serial port. Modify the source code to your liking in the main.cpp file. Then upload the program to the Arduino module. The structure of the program is very simple. It initializes the MP3 player module and sets up the button press method in the setup function. In the loop function, it monitors the button press and if an MP3 file is finished. If it detects a key press, it switches from play to pause and from pause to play again. In the case that a currently playing MP3 has finished, it saves the current MP3 sequence number to the EEPROM so that it can resume playback from there when the MP3 is restarted. After the Arduino was programmed and the components were connected, the SD card was loaded with the MP3 files. Now I just had to encase the whole system. I bought a wooden box, and I made a hole in the side of the box for the speaker, drilled a hole in the top of the box for the push button and attached the electronics to the side of the box. The charger cable was fed through a cable entry. All you have to do is plug in the system, and you're ready to use your audiobook player.